Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by enabling Personal Hotspot on your iPhone and confirming the SSID and password. This creates the Wi-Fi network your TV will join. Make sure cellular data is active and battery is sufficient because streaming uses power and data. Once done, check your TV or streaming stick supports Wi-Fi connection and knows how to select a network. If it prefers 5 GHz, match the band. You're starting the connection now, so you can move quickly to pairing the devices. You'll now pair the TV to the iPhone hotspot by opening the TV's network settings and selecting the iPhone SSID. Enter the password exactly as shown on your phone. After connecting, play a short clip to confirm throughput and latency. If video stalls, reduce streaming quality to standard definition to lower bandwidth demand. Also, make sure the iPhone isn't switching networks or sleeping. Keep the hotspot screen active or plug the phone into power. These steps stabilize the middle of the setup process. Finish by running a longer stream to confirm stability and watching data consumption and battery level. Remember, carriers may throttle hotspot speed after a threshold. If Wi-Fi connection fails, try USB tethering to the TV or a streaming box that supports USB network, or pair via Bluetooth as an alternative. If you run into issues, toggle Personal Hotspot off and on, restart both devices, and verify your carrier allows tethering. Those steps resolve most problems quickly and get you back to watching.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.